today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and use USDC wallet address on Kraken. So first head over and launch your Kraken app, and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the bottom corner of your screen, click on Explore. Then in the search bar, just type in USDC and click on it. Next from here, click on Deposit. Then next is select a network that you would like to deposit USDC. So it could be Ethereum, Inc., Solana, or Optimism, depending on your network preference, and just click on it. And now here you should see a QR code and deposit address for this specific network, and you can use it to deposit to your account from other bank accounts or crypto wallets, or you can also send this to other people for them to use it to deposit or send USDC to your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!